Good morning, folks. So we're here at the Slesse Memorial Trail. This is where you park. Our car is here. There is my good old friend KJ hiking for the first time this year. We're still waiting for part of the group. Not sure if the cars are gonna make it on this. We might actually start ahead slowly and let them catch up. So I've left this sign, OG, for the OGs if they ever show up, and I've left a note here. So right at the start there is a divergence. It looks like this part was the older trail but it's gotten washed out, so we're going this way, and KJ, being a very good Samaritan, put up this to warn anybody who might go the wrong way, which we did already, so makes sense. And then not only that, we went up this path earlier and then I realized I had forgotten my bag in the car, so we came back. So we've already lost about 25 minutes, but hey, it's a good story to tell. Surprise, surprise, we run into the group. That's a very good surprise. We missed each other, but this tree over here, and then on top of that there's wow, this is awesome work. It's this tree.
What?
It's this tree, the one under it.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Oh.
So this is supposed to be wild ginger. It smells really good. Thanks for starting us tricky. So we're starting to hit the snow now. Snow. So it's not an easy tread, that's for sure. Well, then you get to see something like this. Just kind of perfect. So now it's full on snow. Commemorative site. And there was an airline, the Trans-Canada Airlines flight 810, that crashed around here.
Canada Airlines, yeah.
All that walking on the snow has led us to this amazing site. And our feet are cold, but our spirits are warm. Oh man. Oh. Oh man. Some people have lunch in restaurants, and then some people have lunch on rocks with this view. Sitting here with my friend, and there is Nuri. Bye.
Amazing.
Himara Victoriana.
भाई आप ये ना करें प्लीज हाँ you're about to leave and you're
जिद ना
harder
करो
for us.
क्या आज जाने की जिद ना
आज
करो
जाने की जिद ना करो.
यूं ही पहलू में बैठे रहो आज जाने की जिद ना करो हाय मर जाएंगे हम तो लुट जाएंगे ऐसी बातें किया ना करो आज जाने की जिद ना करो हाय हाय जाना ही पड़ेगा यार आज जाना पड़ेगा सुभान अल्लाह सुभान अल्लाह जाने की जिद ना करो So with that we're gonna end today's video. It was a really nice hike, quite rooty, and there was quite a bit of bushwhacking in the way, but the reward was really worth it. The view of Mount Slesse was absolutely amazing, and I think I would do it again, maybe with gaiters on if we have to do it in this much snow, but still it was a really good hike. So with that I bid you farewell, and I'll see you in the next hike.